Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM video channel. The title at the beginning changes somewhat, but yes, the TenKei ATM channel, video channel, YouTube channel. We were talking about the TenKei TPT, and now this is part 5, and we'd already been in here. If you go to part 4, you'll be able to see how this little program right here scalped the markets and got 3 points. Now if you don't know anything about scalping, well, you can always go online and check out scalping, and I think what we'll do is we'll put a link on to a company called Investopedia. They're very good. They can tell you all about what scalping is. But anyway, so for you who know scalping, yes, it took 3 points, as you can see, and we were talking about really the TPT, the TenKei TPT, how it works, and I really wanted to show you something completely different, but I kind of went off at a tangent, because showing you the total profit target doesn't just mean, or the whole lot doesn't just mean I go from here to here and that's it. There's so much that can be done within this, and now you already saw that we were able to glean 3 points out of the markets, and it could be any market you want. Right here we have the GER30 M1, which means GER is Germany 30 meaning 30 blue chip stocks in Germany, otherwise known as the DAX 30. Yeah, M1 equals minute. This is a 1 minute chart. Over here we have a daily chart, GER30 daily. So I'm using, or we use, the daily chart to see what's going on each day in the markets. You can see the markets are going down, but here on the 1 minute chart we can see what's going on up to the minute. And a short while ago we did place a trade where we could see the market going up, because look, you can see the market going up. Here's a low. Let's talk about lower lows. Here's a low, this is a higher low here, and then the market's going up. So we thought, I thought, well, let's just show you how this TPT works. Okay, now going on to, let's take this away for a minute. Don't want too many things flashing in your face. Let's take this away. Right, now you'd be pleased to know, or maybe outraged to know, this is not scripted in any way whatsoever, but it's just really showing you the in-depth how this TPT works. Now remember, you can either open this by pressing F7. So if I press F7, function 7, where are we now? Let's press F7 over here. It opens the TPT, but you've got to make sure that you are actually, let's just do this again. I'm showing you what I've already showed you before. You've got a difference of highlighting this chart here or highlighting this chart here. So making sure if you press an F7 that the chart you want to open, or at least the EA you want to open on that particular chart, is highlighted, and F7. There we go. So now I wanted to show you what the total stop loss was. I had this figure originally at 39. Just learned something new as I was talking to you about the system itself, which is brilliant. And normally we would have this at 13, but we've since now changed it to 12.5. I did mention that I would love to have this at 75, but that means it'll take a lot more trades, or the trades to really just jump up 75 points or 50 or 25 points at a time, 3 trades 25 to get to the 75. But for now, this is like mini scalping, but it still takes some time, some work for the markets to actually give you 12.5 points. So it depends on what you trade, right? You can remember, now you can trade whatever you want. But anyway, we have the total profit target, which means 12.5 is a total profit target that this manager here will go for. And once 12.5 points are hit, either going down, selling, or going up, buying, the TPT, the TenKei TPT, will shut down all trades. So previously, let's close this down here. Previously, we had set it for 3, and this previously was a smiley face. It shut the TPT down. It also shut the EA down, so there's no more trades. So really, if you said you're going to go for 3 trades or 3 points, and you get 3 points, it's going to shut it down for you, and therefore you cannot overtrade because it shuts it down. But if you decide you want to go for another three points by taking a little bit more, you can switch auto trading on again, and we're back in business. But this is auto trading, looking for auto trades, automatic trades based from this EA or your EA. If you don't want to use this EA at all, watch this. We can click over here on the happy face. We can go into common. We can say allow live trading to be off, uncheck it, click OK. So now this is not going to place any trades for us, but we can still use this auto trading to place our trades. Let's see if we can do this again for you. Okay, so what do we got? We're going for 3 points. Let's go for 3 points again. Okay, click OK, and this 12.5 over here should change to 3. So let it do that. And what's going on? The market's still going up. Is it a risk to go? It's changed to 3 here. We click here, this drop down arrow here. Let's just click buy. And did it go through? Got to try again. And did it go through? No. Try again. That's because it's moving fast at the moment. So we want to. Alright, we're in. So all being well, this goes up to 33, 34. That means this should shut down again over here. Alright, so we sit and wait. Okay, so 31. Now the idea is, oh, there you are, it's stopped. Can you see that? It's actually closed. It's happened very fast. Close the trade. Actually, it gives us 2.8 points. Aha. But look at this. Look at this. Let's have a look in here a minute. See what's going on. Why? Oh, there you go. Yeah, it was a bit delayed. So it gave us, it looked like it gave us 2.8 points, didn't it? So I'm going to do the calculations again behind the scenes. Once again, this wasn't what I wanted to show you, but it is what I want to show you, or was what I wanted to show you, but later on. But since things are going in this direction, let's keep on going in this direction. So the price it got in at was 13529.08. When I do the calculations, I don't bother with the 135. I'm just going to be looking at the last 4 digits, which is 29.08. So we got in at 29.08, for instance. We got out at 31.63 minus 29.08 equals 2.55. Alright, so we got 2.55 rather than the 3 points that we were after. And that's what happens sometimes, right? So you could say if you want to get 3 points, you may want to put this for 4 points. But the last trade we did back in the TenKei TPT, the how to use a TenKei TPT part 4, we got the 3 points. And this is the thing what happens with the trades, that sometimes there's slippage to the positive, or, well, is it slippage to the negative? It doesn't give you the whole amount of points that you want. But do you get the idea now? I've shown you the same thing twice, as in part 4 and part 5, but it's just for you to really understand this. I will show you this a million times over. I mean it, for you to be able to get this. But next, we're going to come back. We're going to go through this total stop loss and take it from there. Thank you.